Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing the Zwilling air fryer, a sleek and compact addition to the air fryer market. Let's see how it stacks up against the competition. First off, the Zwilling air fryer stands out with its elegant design. The touchscreen controls and hidden vents give it a modern and aesthetically pleasing look. It's compact enough to fit in a cupboard, but its attractive exterior makes it worthy of displaying on your countertop. With a 4-liter capacity, it's suitable for couples or small families. The pull-out drawer and removable grill plate are dishwasher safe, making cleaning a breeze. The air fryer offers 6 presets for chips, poultry, seafood, bake, cake, pizza, and fish. However, it lacks options for reheat, preheat, or frozen food, which might require manual adjustments to cooking times. The performance of the Zwilling air fryer is impressive. It cooks evenly and efficiently, with energy usage at 1.4 kilowatt-hours, making it more energy efficient than oven cooking. During testing, the fries program cooked chips to perfection, and the hash browns emerged crispy and golden brown. While there's no specific meat program, you can adapt the bake program for cooking steaks to your desired doneness. However, the preset options could use some improvement. There's no guidance for cooking from frozen, and some presets, like the default 80 degrees Celsius temperature, may not be very useful for regular use. Overall, the Zwilling air fryer is a good choice for newcomers to air frying. It's low maintenance, comes with a recipe booklet for inspiration, and delivers impressive cooking results. If you prefer a larger capacity, you might want to consider other models. That's our review of the Zwilling air fryer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.